G'day, I'm just a ghost, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this cool sound.
Alright, so first off what we're going to do is we're going to open up a serum. And we're going to take this first saw wave down 2 octaves, and we'll turn the unison up to 16. Tighten up the detune a little bit, it'll sound like this.
Yum.
Alright, jump over it and turn on oscillator B. Pull that down 2 octaves as well, which will sound like that. Switch on our noise. We won't change the level. And we'll assign this to a mixer track. So in our mixer track here, we're going to put on an EQ. We'll take one of the bands and switch it to band pass mode. Pull down the band order and increase the bandwidth till you have a shape that looks something like this here. Now we're going to take the frequency of that band and create an automation clip, and we're going to start automating. Alright, that sounds pretty good. Now we're going to go back into the EQ. We're going to take a second band and we'll automate the frequency knob of that too. This one could be a little bit more random, it's just adding a little bit of flavor. As you'll hear there, it sounds pretty crap. But we'll mess around with that until we're happy with how it sounds. Alright, pretty happy with how this sounds. Now we're going to move on to a few other effects. So we'll start off with a stereo enhancer. We're actually going to decrease the stereo separation a little bit. Add a delay. And an OTT.
Multi-band compressor.
What I've done here is just adjusted the depth knob to around 50%. And brought up the time knob by about 100%. These settings are just a taste, so it doesn't really matter that much as long as it sounds good. Now back in the stereo enhancer tool, we're going to automate the pan knob. Now we're going to automate the pitch of serum. Pretty happy with how this sounds. Using another serum, I'm also going to make a sub just to sit underneath the other sound. And we'll automate the pitch of that as well. And there we have it. And this is the final result. Cool. Attached below is a link to the project file of this song, so you can check out how I did some of the other little mixing bits and pieces of this tiny little track.
Cool. Thanks. Bye.